I'm Michael from TrainedParrot.com, and these are my birds in the aviary in the midst of summer. It's currently 93 degrees outside, and this is how I keep my birds cool. I have a roof over the aviary that keeps them in shade, and then I hose them down periodically from time to time. They have access to clean water in case they want to go take a drink or a bath. Hey, Keely. When Senegal parrots get excited, they click their beak at you like that. So if I click my teeth at Keely, she clicks her beak back at me, all happy. Hi, Keely. Keely's having fun outside in her aviary. As you can see, Truman's beak is open. Parrots keep their beaks open to let off more heat, but he's not panting and he's not drooping his wings, so he's not too hot. He's just kind of hot, so I'm going to give him a quick shower to cool him off. Good bird. Go. Come here, Truman. Up. Up. We'll get you cooled down too. Good boy. Up. Up. Hold on here. Visit TrainedParrot.com for more information about keeping parrots outside in an aviary during the hot summer months.